If you have been using the same version of HandBrake for a while, in this video, I will show you exactly how to check your current version and update HandBrake on Windows without losing any of your custom presets. Alright, let's check which version of HandBrake you currently have installed in your computer. To do that, click on About HandBrake link at the bottom, select About HandBrake, and you will see the version you have installed on your computer. For now, the version I currently have installed is 1.10.2. So, let's also check the official HandBrake website to see if there is a newer version available. And right there, the latest version of HandBrake is 1.11.0. The installed version is 1.10.2, and clearly, we do need to update HandBrake to the latest version. Before we proceed with the update, there is one thing we should not skip: backing up your custom presets. To do this, click on Presets in the menu bar. You will see all your saved presets listed here. In my case, I already have one preset saved, my 2K video preset. To export it, simply right-click on the preset and select Export to File from the context menu. Give the file a name, choose where you would like to save it. I will save mine to the desktop, then click Save. Our preset file is now saved right here on the desktop. Now we are ready to update HandBrake. So, go to Menu Bar and click on Help, click About HandBrake, and head to the Updates tab once more. Click on Check for Updates button to see if a newer version is available. At this point, if there is an update available, Download Update button will become visible. But one quick check before we continue: make sure your queue has no pending encodes and that your presets are safely exported. Since we already did that, go ahead and click on Download Update button. And HandBrake will now begin downloading updates. Just wait a moment for it to finish. Once the download finishes, a prompt will appear. Click OK to begin removing the previous version of HandBrake. Confirmation dialog will ask if you want to completely remove the old version. Click Yes to confirm. The old version has been successfully removed. The installation wizard will now open automatically. Click Next to continue. After reading through the license agreement, click on Next, then click Install. The installation is now in progress. Just wait until it's finished. If you would like a HandBrake shortcut on your desktop, make sure that checkbox is selected, then click Finish. Now, right-click on HandBrake shortcut and select Open. When HandBrake prompts you to install .NET to run the application, click on this download option. This will take you to the official .NET Desktop Runtime download page, and the installer will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the installer. From here, double-click on Installer to launch the .NET installation wizard, then click Install. Alright, let's open HandBrake again. To check version you have now on your computer, simply click on About HandBrake at the bottom again. As you can see, we are now running the latest version of HandBrake on this PC. And when I check the presets menu, my 2K video preset is still right there, just as expected. That was how you can check and update HandBrake on Windows safely and without losing your custom presets.